that's where I'm going. Hey guys, what's shaking? I'm here at the Cariboo Teahouse trail, and I don't know how many kilometers it will be. The start of the trail is pretty narrow already. As you can see, probably nobody really travels on it, and it already has some amazing views. This trail is just located outside of Hope. I've been here in over a year probably. It is just exactly like I remembered, except for a little bit of downfall. So this trail requires a little bit of rope finding. Even I just got twisted and turned around there just for about 2 minutes. So Hope hiking is not exactly flat. It's always pretty steep here. About halfway up to where the ridge starts and the views start. That's how easy I can lose the trail. You'll come up on a little section and there's like nothing after it. You'll just come up here and just kind of nothing. So you have to kind of pick your way through, and I'm back on what appears to be the trail. I saw a little ribbon, so I'm fine. Almost to the first viewpoint. Woohoo! Leaves are just so beautiful. So glad I got a view today. And this is Hope right down there, if you see the little city. Made it to the second viewpoint! Woohoo! I forgot how steep it was. So I came up there, that was pretty steep. I just hope that I can make it all the way around. I don't have to come back down that. Okay, made it to where the ridge starts. I will be hiking the ridge for a little bit here and then making the loop on the way back. Okay, so I have a goal in mind this year. I will accomplish it. It's to hike at least 25 new trails. I think that's acceptable. Woohoo, we made it to the best viewpoint of them all. Let's go! There's a pretty sizable cliff, probably 100 feet or so. And this is my track here. So basically all I can do is, there's flagging tape there, and it's all I'm following. And then I have a map on my phone too, which helps a lot. Alright, made to the logging road / mining road. I don't even know. Now it's much easier walking for me. Woohoo! I don't have to go over top of sticks and twigs and everything. Well, there's one here, but this is not bad. This just goes down right to the road. And that's a fairly easy stroll from here. Well, dang it, I will have to probably just go back from here. That's okay. Won't take me long. I was going to show you guys a spot called American Falls, and now I don't really want to get to there. So I will show you guys in the pictures and video that I have from back maybe a year ago. All right, I'll see you when I get down. It's pretty technical and rooty and sticks everywhere, and pretty steep terrain too, so I might have another adventure if I have time. We'll see when I get down. I got here right in time. Just all clouded in now. Perfect. Now I'm in a cloud. Guys, I made it back to my car. I'll probably go do that challenge now that I wanted to do. I'll show you guys when I get there. Made it to where I want to do the challenge. I'm not ready for this, but I've done quite a bit of cold showers, so we'll see how it goes. Here we go. All right, let's do this. We got this. I just meditated for a good solid minute or two just to get myself ready. Here we go. I'm a little scared, but I think we got it. No problem at all. Let's get it. Oh, God. All right. First time ever doing this. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh my God, yeah. So happy. I am shivering, but it's all good. Alright, so this is the result. My arm is like beet red all the way up to here. And I am shivering a little bit. I'm gonna put something warm on now. Let's go. I did it. There we go. And there we go. Alright. I'm a little bit cold still, but we're warming up now. I have a little warm jacket on, and I'm gonna leave it there. I'm so happy with myself. Yeah, next time I'll try to dunk my head, and that's gonna be the biggest challenge. All right, bye bye.